Welcome back to Heavy Lies the Hype. This is that Crossbox logo hoodie versus the Crossbox logo tee. Before anything, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me which one you like, the hoodie or the tee. Let's get it. I bet you some of you guys are like, oh my goodness, this guy's showing this same black hoodie again. Some of y'all don't want to see this. I did a review on my channel. You can see that holy shine on my Supreme. You can see it shining right there. The cross on the chest, cross on the body. Let's open it up and check it out. This is the hoodie right here, regular hoodie. I'm gonna quickly give you guys a rundown, show you guys the difference. The hoodie got some strings on it. The tag inside is different from the t-shirt. You can see the tags are red. It says made in Canada. Okay, not regular Supreme tags that you find on a t-shirt. You can see the cross on the chest. The size is a medium, so you can see the sizing. Sorry, I'm not trying it on for you guys. If you guys want to see me try on most of these clothes, let me know in the comments if that's something you guys want to see on this channel. Okay, you can see that Supreme tag right there inside the hoodie. Alright, you guys could pause, just like Dame Dash says pause. This guy turned into a remote. All he says is pause, play, rewind, stop, TV off, I don't even know. Alright, so this is how the hoodie look. That's the Supreme Crossbox logo hoodie. Let's get into the next. This is the t-shirt. Alright, you guys can see the t-shirt, the tag right there is different from the hoodie. Okay, you got that regular Supreme t-shirt tag on the back. You guys could pause and get that again. You could Dame and Dash pause that. Alright, and that is the Crossbox on the chest. If you guys want to check out more of the review on that, you can check it out on my channel. I'm gonna quickly swing by this and show you guys quick times. Alright, that's the comparison. Look at the print. The sizing is basically the same for medium. Hugs your body nice. Everything is right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, love my subscribers, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that notification for more content, follow me on Instagram to get more content about the giveaway, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know which one you guys plan on picking up in the future if you guys don't have one of these. Alright, I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.